juggle chairs. Time to juggle chairs on a ball.
Okay, this is an unlucky ball.
And
It never fell.
Are you guys having fun?
Yep.
That's all that's important, is that my babies have fun.
Sally's turn to juggle. Good job.
Oh, you get his ball to juggle. Whoa! What happened to Ali?
Let's get back up. Making juggling music is hard work.
Whoa, look, he's actually gonna juggle.
He's trying to do the part of the circus where they swallowed stuff.
And no blood comes out.
Ali needs
I
complete
remember when
silence.
Master Shake did that. Stuff it into all the way things
Still think I need one of these balls. They're the coolest things I've ever seen. When I grow up, I'm gonna stock up on all this baby stuff. Looks so cool. Especially books. I think Coopersville should have us read these books instead of the chapter books. This is a lot more interesting. See, it's more colorful. This people can understand. See, the goose had a beak, or has a beak, webbed feet, and wings. Can you touch one of these wings? Yes, I can. With a curly tail, he's a pig. Lots of food makes him